Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations Day 22. I'm holding up 2 fingers. Yes, that was good. 22, yes. So now let's check out the lighthouse for today. Now this is the interesting thing that Yoka told me. The lighthouses in the Netherlands don't have names, which totally confused me because I'm used to here in the US, the lighthouses have names. Like up in Maine, you have the Portland Headlight, which is in South Portland actually. And you have like Spring Point Ledge Light, and you have, what are some of the other ones? You have Saddleback Ledge Light, Bass Harbor Headlight. You know, you have different names that kind of based on the area, but some of them don't necessarily based on the area. But anyway, so the Netherlands does not name their lighthouses. So today's and tomorrow's have the same name because it's based on the little island that it's on. So it is Schiermonnikoog. It is this little top spot here. You can see 22 and there's 23. So they're both on this little teeny island right here, which is the top part that's come across this arpeggio. It's part of this particular area, but it's right there. So today's is 22, and then you'll see the other one tomorrow for 23, but same island. So here it is. Here is number 22. And here is what the lighthouse looks like. It looks very similar to one of the other ones that I saw in here that I remember I said it looked like Barnegat. I'm not sure which day that was. Oh, here we go. It looks very similar to the one from Lighthouse from day 12. Because here is day 12. There's day 12. And there's day 23. So they're both solid red lighthouses. So let's take a peek at what the yarn looks like. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. Is that pretty with all those kind of dusty color pinks and purples mixed in with like the browns? Kind of reminds me of like a cupcake, like a chocolate cupcake with pink icing on it. So there is a progress keeper here. Let me turn this around so you can see it. There you go. It says friend. And this yarn is Drops Fable long print color 655. And it's 75% wool, 25% polyamide. Really pretty. So I like that one. Now we are going to be drawing a name, yeah, I'm gonna be drawing a winner for the yarn here. So this is Hand Dyed Heaven, and the color is Strawberry Fields. It is super soft. It's what I'm making my shawl out of. But yeah, this color is really pretty. I guess I should tell you, before I draw the winner, I should tell you what it is I am wearing today. This is one of my patterns. This is Banner Unfurled. It was originally done in red, white, and blue, so I had something to wear for patriotic holidays, but you can also do this in other colors. And So that's what it looks like. There's lots of garter stitch in it, and it has like a picot edging, and then it also has beading in it as well, and some striping. So it's 3 colors to make this, and it's a shawlette. I mean, you could wear it around your shoulders, but it's not a deep shawl. It's just something to go around your neck. And it is long, so that when you wrap it around your neck like this, you have ends that, you have plenty of ends hanging, so it's not going to come off really easy. So that being said, let's get to what you guys all came for. Let's draw the winner. So we had 67 entries into the giveaway, and I used random comment picker, and the winner is Karen Collins. Congratulations, Karen. Karen comments on all of my videos. So yes, congratulations, Karen. You won the yarn. And if you would contact me on my, either message me on Facebook with your address, or you can email me at KatrinasCreations@yahoo.com and let me know your address, and I will get this in the mail to you. So congratulations once again, Karen, and thank you to all of you who participated. Now, don't forget that I also have the jingle along running today, so make sure you stop over on that video so you can see what everybody was making this week, and to see if we got back home from the North Pole. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.